Welcome Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. Today is the day that we've been waiting so long for. Today is my YouTube subscriber giveaways. But I do have an announcement to make. There won't be 1 or 2 subscriber giveaways. There'll be 10. 10 in total. So I can't wait. So let's get to it. We said that there'll be 10 winners, right? Well, every winner will have 6 winning items. You'll be getting a makeup palette with 72 colors in it, a lip trio, mascara, eyeliner, a bunch of makeup sponges, and the coolest thing, a rechargeable portable mirror. Now, let's go ahead and get to the drawing, and I wish everybody luck. And don't worry guys, if you don't win, we have so many more giveaways to give out. Just make sure that you subscribe, you like, comment, and make sure that bell is on so you can see the awesome content to come. Congratulations to everybody that won. I hope you guys love everything that you receive. I also want to thank you guys for all your support through my Facebook group that I built for 3 years and now my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. That's the end of this video, Glam fam, and I'll see you in the next one.